Let's start with chapter 6, that is subtraction up to 20. So what is subtraction means? Subtraction means to take away. And the sign of subtraction is this, minus. Suppose Raju had 7 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if he ate 3 mangoes, 1, 2, 3. So how many mangoes are left now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now he had only 4 mangoes. So 3 mangoes are taken away from 7 mangoes will give 4 mangoes. So this is the concept of subtraction. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Now look at the following examples. There are 6 birds. Out of these 6 birds, 3 birds fly away. So how many are left? Only 3 birds will left. Suppose someone has 6 ice creams, and if that person ate 5 ice creams, then how many ice creams will be left? Only 2 ice creams. Cross out and subtract. We have to cross out to show how many are left. We have 7 burgers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If 2 burgers will be eaten, suppose we cross this and this. How many burgers will be left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like this, if we have 8 bananas and 5 mangoes are eaten up, 5 bananas are eaten away, then we will be having 3 bananas now. We have 4 flowers, out of which if we take 5 flowers, out of which if we take 4 flowers, how many will be left? 1. 7. 7 minus 3 will be equals to 4. 6 minus 1 will be equals to 5. 9 minus 2 will be equals to 7. Now subtraction on a number line. What we have to do? We have to subtract on a number line. First we have to draw a number line. Suppose we have to subtract 4 and 2. So first what we have to do? First we have to jump directly on 4. We have jumped directly on 4. Then we have to jump 2 steps backward. 1, 2. So what we get? We get 2. So 4 minus 2 will be equals to 2. Now we have to subtract this on a number line. 7 minus 4. First we will directly jump on 7. Then we will jump 4 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we get? We get 3. 8 minus 2. First we will directly jump to 8. Then we will be jump 2 steps backward. 1, 2. What we get? We get 6. 9 minus 2. First we will directly jump to 9. Then we will jump 2 steps backward. 8. Then 7. What we get? We get 7. So in this way we will do the subtraction on a number line. Now subtracting 0. Suppose we have 7 pencils. If no pencils will be taken out, how many pencils will be left? We will be left with same number of pencils, that will be equals to 7. So if we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same answer. 7 minus 0 is equals to 7. 5 minus 0 is equals to 5. 8 minus 0 is equals to 8. Now subtracting 1. If we subtract 1 from any number, what we will get? We will get the previous number. 3 minus 1 will be equals to 2. We get the previous number of 3. 4 minus 1 will be equals to 3. 2 minus 1 will be equals to 1. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Now subtracting a number from itself. If we subtract any number from the same number, we will get the answer 0. Suppose we have 6 teddies. And if we take all these 6 teddies, how many teddies are left? We will left with 0 teddies. So, if we subtract the same number from the number, we get the answer 0. 7 minus 7 will be 0. 8 minus 8 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 9 minus 9 will be 0. 6 minus 6 will be 0. 10 minus 10 will be 0. Now, subtract and color the box as directed. 2. So, 5 minus 3 will be 2. 6 minus 4 will be 2. 9 minus 7 will be 2. 7 minus 1 is not 2. Like this, we have to do this exercise. Now, vertical subtraction. We can do subtraction in two ways, vertically and horizontally. So, vertical subtraction is, suppose we have to subtract 3 from 5. What we have to do? We have to write the greater number above and the smaller number below the greater number. Like 5 minus 3, we will get 2. This is called the vertical subtraction. 7 minus 2 will be 5. 4 minus 2 will be 2. 8 minus 3 will be 5. 6 minus 4 will be 2. Now subtract the following. 8 minus 6 will be 2. 6 minus 5 will be 1. 7 minus 1 will be 6. 9 minus 2 will be 7. 2 minus 1 will be 1. 4 minus 1 will be 3. 7 minus 3 will be 4. 4 minus 2 will be 2. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 8 minus 4 will be 4. 9 minus 1 will be 8. 8 minus 3 will be 5. Now suppose Rakhi has 15 balloons and 5 of her balloons got burst. So how many balloons will be left with Rakhi? Rakhi will be left with 10 balloons. Now what we have to do? We have 14 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If we take out the 5 marbles, how many marbles will be left? 9. Same here, we have to do this exercise. Now, what you have to do in this exercise? First, we have to make the number of circles that will be there, 13 circles. Then out of these, we have to subtract the 8 circles. So, we will be left with 5. In this way, you have to do these exercise. We have to make 17 circles. Then we have to cut 3. So, we will get 14. Now, this is the different method of subtraction. 15, we will draw 15 lines. Then we will cut 8 lines. Then how many lines will be left? 7. Same here, what we have to do? We have to draw 17 lines. Then out of these 17 lines, we have to cut 6 lines. How many are left? 11. Like this, we have to do this exercise. Now, word problem. Suppose Mohit had 7 crayons. He lost 2 of them. So, how many are left? 5. Rajni has 8 dolls. She gave 3 dolls to her sister. 8 minus 3 will be 5. Mahima has 7 flowers. She gave 3 to her teacher. 7 minus 3 will be 4. 12 birds are sitting on a tree. 8 of them flew away. So 12 minus 8 will be 4. Now playtime. Subtract color and write the answer. If we subtract 3 from 5, what we will get? We will get 2. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. 12 minus 2 is equals to 10. 10 minus 0 is equals to 10. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Now come to multiple choice questions. 9 people were in a car. 5 got off. So how many are left? We will be left with 4 people. 15 minus 0 is equals to 15. 13 minus 13 is equals to 0. Taking away is subtraction. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Now come to lab activity. What you have to do in this activity, we have to take a 15 centimeter scale and 20 paper clips. Now look at this example. Suppose we have to subtract 7 and 2. What we have to do? First we have taken these 7 clips. Then we have taken 2 clips. So how many are left? We are left with 5 clips. In this way we have to do this activity.